what I wanted to do was share with you how to wash your castor oil pack. It is very easy to wash your castor oil pack if you have a dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, then we have to do a little bit more work, but it's not too bad because you actually don't need to wash your castor oil pack every time you use it. You only wash your castor oil pack when the castor oil starts to seep into the seams. Other than that, you can keep on using the pack. So here, my castor oil has seeped into the seams, so we're gonna wash it. So you take your pack, your lovely used pack, you place it in warm water, and you liberally add 2 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. The reason for the baking soda and to soak it overnight is that baking soda actually helps to pull the castor oil off of the material. Let's fast forward 12 hours later. We take our pack out of the water and baking soda, and we wring it, and now we add a clean, natural, healthy soap to the pack, and we wash it. Then we remove all of the soap that may be left in your pack, wringing your pack again. Then you place it on an old tablecloth that you don't mind if it gets castor oil all over it. You roll it nice and tight, and then you wring it strongly, a little bit of bicep workout here, to make sure that you remove the remaining water and castor oil. Great, and now you have your castor oil pack all washed, all clean, ready to go. You simply need to lay it flat or hang it up to dry, and it's ready to go by the next day. It's super simple if you have a dishwasher. All you do after using your pack and noticing that the oil might be leaking too much into the seams, that's when it's time to wash it. So then you simply open up your dishwasher and you place your castor oil pack in the rack and attach the straps so they don't get caught on anything. Then you run the cycle and wait till it's done. Take out your castor oil pack, you place it on a towel, and now what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna roll it on the tea towel that you don't mind if it gets stained, and you squeeze it in order to remove the remaining amount of castor oil and water. Take the castor oil pack out of the cloth and hang it to dry or lay flat to dry, and it's ready to use the very next day. I always have 2 castor oil packs because I love to practice them daily. So that's something that you can do as well.